Made from super premium ultra steel alloy, our drill bit for metal and steel is unmatched. Coated with titanium cobalt, our bit does not overheat. See how our bit can drill through a grade 5 bolt without a starter hole or a center punch. First, coat both the drill bit and the targeted piece with B-tap threading and drilling wax. Since the steel is very hard and resilient, we will start at low speed, 300 to 400 RPMs. When the shadings start coming off, we increase speed to 1400 RPMs. Notice the bit's flexibility. It's on full display. Now we are going to cut the bolt. Is the bit still good? Absolutely.